Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem delete alternate nodes. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says given a singly linked list, delete all alternate nodes of the list. That is, delete all the nodes present in even position. So for instance, if this is the linked list which is given to us, after deletion even position node, the linked list will look something like this. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So let us say this is the linked list which is given to us, and in this linked list we have to delete even position node. So we need to delete this node. So for that, let us say while iterating we are at this position, so the PTR pointer is at this position. Apart from PTR pointer, we are going to maintain a previous pointer, so the previous pointer will be over here. Now since this node has to be deleted, so in order to delete this node, all we have to do is we have to break this pointer and we have to ensure that this pointer now points to this position. So let us do that. So to do so, all we have to do is previous next is equals to PTR of next. And in this way, we will be able to delete a node of the pointer. And since we have to delete only the even position, so for that, what we are going to do is we are going to take a count variable. Initial value of this count variable will be 1, and every time we visit a node we are going to increase that count variable by 1. And using this count variable, all we have to do is we have to check whether this is an even node position. So if this is an even node position, so for that count modulo 2 will be equals to 0, and initial value, folks, for count will be equals to 1. So initially we'll start with 1, and then we will check whether it is an even node. If this is an even node, all we have to do is we need to delete the current pointer. So to do so, all we have to do is previous next is equals to PTR next, and then we just have to update our PTR. So the PTR pointer will point to the next node. So PTR is equals to PTR of next. And in this way, we will keep on continuing on iterating on all the nodes, and we will keep on increasing the count variable as well. And we are going to check if this is an even node, we are going to delete it. And in this way, we will be able to delete all the even position node. That's the discussion of solution, folks. Now let us discuss the pseudocode of this problem. So let us say we want to delete alternate nodes, and a head of the linked list is given to us. So for this, what we are going to do is we are going to take a count variable, initial value is equals to 1. Similarly, we are going to take a PTR variable, initial value is head, and we are also going to take a previous variable, initial value is equals to none. And then we are going to iterate on this linked list. So while PTR, and we are going to check if count mod 2 equals to 0. That simply means it's an even node. If it is an even node, all we have to do is previous dot next is equals to PTR dot next. And if this is not the case, then in such case the previous node has to be updated. So previous becomes equals to PTR. And lastly, we will just update our PTR pointer. So PTR is equals to PTR next, and count variable has to be increased by 1. And in this way, we will be able to delete the alternate nodes. So that's the pseudocode, folks. Now let us see how we have implemented this in Python and C++. So first, let us look at the Python implementation. So over here, I'm starting with count equals to 0 rather than 1. Previous is equals to none and PTR equals to head. And I'm iterating on all the nodes of the linked list. And I'm checking whether count modulo 2 is not equals to 0. Since I have started with 0, that is why this condition. And if count modulo 2 is not equals to 0, then previous next is equals to PTR next, otherwise previous is equals to PTR, and then we are updating our count and pointer variable. So that's the Python implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our Python solution got accepted. Now let us look at the C++ implementation. So the C++ implementation is also the same, folks. Count equals to 0, PTR and a previous pointer. We are iterating while PTR is not equals to null. If it is an even position node, then we are deleting that node. Otherwise, previous is equals to PTR, and PTR and counter will be updated. So that's the C++ implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our C++ solution also got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.